How to embed a YouTube video in Canva. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Canva on your device and add an image. After you've done that, go to YouTube and at the top in the search bar, simply copy everything. After you're in the video, press on Ctrl+C, which will copy it. Now go to Canva and you can add by pressing Ctrl+V and it will be added. You can add in a picture or video at the top or just in a blank space. Now when you click on it, it will directly lead you to YouTube video. This is how to embed a YouTube video in Canva. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.